He's coming right after us. Get out of here! He's gonna come after you, Mike.
Mike, he's dangerous.
Mike, he flies. He flies.
Watch out, he's dangerous, Mike.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
You gotta get the broom, Pat.
Get out of here!
Broom.
He's gonna come right after us.
I would shoot him.
Oh my God.
He's aggressive.
Ruining
And
poison.
Mike, we can't shoot him till Friday.
I'd shoot him right now if I had a gun.
Did you
Weeks
rat
anyway to shoot
poison?
him. Pat,
Put some
if you
food
call the guy
in.
now, maybe he'll come and shoot him. Nobody can see him.
I don't have his. I'll call Mike.
This guy's aggressive.
I think we should throw a blanket on him and capture him.
That's
crazy.
Look how aggressive
Ned,
he is.
Jay, Ned went out the other day and he was pecking at Ned's new ketchup in the paint.
Really?
Ned was
You
furious.
think he has rabies or something?
Oh, I do too. I like one of those. And you know what Ned did? He went and got fireworks and threw them at him. He's so stupid he doesn't even mold.
That's so dangerous. He could hurt a child or...
One person, he flew over because they fly. He flew over and sliced their head off. Somebody who would, not this one, but a person who did that recently. Yeah, with their... I wish he's unbelievably... He takes off and he flies up and he sleeps in the tree.